According to WHO statistics, in recent years, about 1.25 million people died in traffic accidents every year in the world, with an average of 3,500 deaths per day. 50% to 60% of traffic accidents are related to drinking and driving, which has been listed as the main cause of death in traffic accidents. In order to improve the efficiency and initiative of drunk driving control, safety technical equipment, such as alcohol locks and vehicle alcohol detectors, have been promoted and applied in various countries. It is reported that alcohol locks have been widely used in the United States, France, Australia, and other countries. Since 2021, the EU has enforced the vehicle alcohol locking system. It is required that all new vehicles should have built-in connection ports equipped with alcohol testers before May 2022. The Japanese police agency also announced recently that since October 2022, enterprises that use multiple white license plate vehicles to transport their goods will be obliged to use an alcohol detector to confirm whether drivers drink alcohol every day. From 2022, the world will gradually enter the era of zero drunk driving. The alcohol tester, called alcohol ignition interlock, is an electronic breath test interlock that is installed next to the dashboard in front of the steering wheel and connected to the engine ignition system. Before driving, the driver must take a breath test. If the acceleration alcohol test value exceeds the safety standard, the igniter will be locked and the engine cannot be started, so as to protect against drunk driving. The core component inside is alcohol sensor, which are mainly divided into semiconductor type and electrochemical type. Semiconducting alcohol sensor MQ303B. Semiconductor type alcohol sensor with low cost, high sensitivity, quick response in reviewing, widely used for multiple alcohol detector. Electrochemical alcohol sensor Me2 alcohol. Electrochemical type alcohol sensor with high accuracy, low consumption, high precision, and excellent repeatability. Widely used for high-end police use and environmental protection type alcohol detection. The 29A. Adopting electrochemical type Me2 alcohol sensor. Pre-calibrated sensor module before shipment with UART output for user use. Widely used for automobile alcohol testing and portable alcohol detectors. Winsen Technology pays full attention to problems and difficulties in encountering sensor application. You can contact us in the following ways, and we will provide you with comprehensive services and support. Winsen Sensor, accompanying you all the way to safety.